So I bought this Theragun Prime a couple of days ago from the Therabody website. I think it was £260. Arrived very quickly, arrived yesterday. Put it on its charger to charge. The lights came on, said it was fully charged, and I couldn't get it to work. It's just dead, doesn't work, which is very inconvenient particularly given the price tag. But for any device, it's just really quite poor in terms of quality control. You'd think that they would at least check that it's working before shipping. Kind of undermines all of this very nice packaging and image that the company presents. And even the charging stand, which came free with the gun, is just defective. The base is loose, and as a result, the inner rollers which guide the gun into position to charge are just completely loose within the base. It's really quite poor. I don't know if the screws haven't been screwed on these. I mean, very poor. I'm going to send these back for a full refund and want nothing more to do with the company.